Here we are at Plaza Mufflers here in Orange, and we're getting ready to straight pipe the truck. So I'm just gonna give you a quick clip of the stock exhaust. And as you can hear, it's extremely quiet. So we're gonna be removing this entire muffler from here all the way past the flap. Let's see if we can see it right there. So do keep in mind that I referred to this as straight piping several times in the video, but we ended up keeping the resonators on because we ended up liking the sound without even having to remove them. You'll see what I mean at the end of the video. One more time, big shout out to Plaza Mufflers. We were in and out in about 5 minutes.